Hello guys, now we're gonna start our presentation, Deforestation, Group 1. This is Sai Chilkalapalli and our group mates are Jayant Mani Allah, Kushal Kumar Madala, Zigrit Irakoze. First of all, what is deforestation? Deforestation is the destruction of forest areas as a result of farming, urbanization, or mining. Since 1960, human activities have increased deforestation, causing harm to ecosystems, biodiversity, and climate. Deforestation has been going on for centuries.
A few facts about deforestation. Palm oil, soy, cattle, pulp and paper, timber and cocoa are all extracted from Amazon rainforest to feed multinational businesses and Wall Street bankers. Burning, bulldozing, and monoculture farming affects tropical rainforest. Famous companies' goods using these crops have limited shelf life, so the deforestation is severe and long-lasting. Deforestation has both natural and human causes. Forest fires and parasites disease may induce deforestation, and also human actions create deforestation worldwide. A few problems with the deforestations. Most well-known effects of deforestation is the threat of to the biodiversity. In fact, forests are some of the most important diversity hotspots. The forest is home to many rare and endangered species. Forests are home to 80% of the Earth's land, animals, and plants. Many people rely on forests for survival and use them to hunt and gather raw materials for their small-scale agriculture processes. Food insecurity may result from deforestation in the future. One of the consequences of deforestation is soil erosion. Deforestation degrades and weakens the soil. Forested soil are typically more resistant to erosion, like bad weather and extreme weather events, as well as higher in organic matter. Ways of combating deforestation. The first one will be putting pressure on businesses to protect human, indigenous, and forest rights. And then we must put public pressure on businesses to stop deforestation and human rights violations. We strive to protect and strengthen the rights of indigenous and local rainforest communities. To aid in reforestation, everyone should plant one tree. Meat consumption aids in the preservation of forests. Reduced consumption and mindfulness can help to reduce the forest devastation. Stop the use of palm oil and fossil fuels motivate residents and visitors to protect forests and promote ecotourism. Using wildfire routes and enforcing laws and regulations to protect and restore forests. Lastly, reduce illegal logging and harvesting of old growth forests.
Now, deforestation analysis. Globally, the formal forest sector employs 45 million people and generates approximately 580 billion in labor income. 7. If the informal forest sector is included, the estimates are likely to much higher. And deforestation affects 1.6 billion rural people around the world who rely on the forest for living. The vast majority and improvised when forests are cleared and burned. They emit carbon dioxide. Deforestation accounts for approximately 12% of global greenhouse gases emissions, and 8 emissions for all cars and trucks on the planet are roughly equivalent. Agriculture is the most important cause of deforestation, 80%. And agriculture, according to the FAO, is responsible for roughly 80% of deforestation. And here we have some deforestation solutions To combat deforestation, plant a tree, and planting a tree is a lifetime investment in the environment and your mental health. And land stripped of its tree cover for urban settlements and should be pursued to plant trees nearby and restore the chopped trees. And also, the removed trees must be replanted with new ones. Less meat, educational campaigns, less paper, reduce deforestation and prone products, enforcing regulations and legislations to limit tree feeling sorry felling is the greatest way to combat deforestation.
Now, this is the model, which has only one compartment, which, which is forest, and inflow as the forest gain and outflow as the forest consumption. For the forest gain, the inflow are the reforestation and forest growth, where we plant our trees and for the reforestation. And while coming to the outflow, we have forest consumption, and in that, mining, industry, agriculture, construction, and fire are the major components or factors that are affecting the forest consumption.
So here is the deforestation website that we designed for this main project. So once we are clicking this on this, 1 second. So this is our website. So once we click on this, so this is our main website. This is the landing page. Here comes the logo deforestation, and here is the our upper tab. So in our home screen, we have what is deforestation and ways of combating deforestation. So we show the content about ways of combating deforestation. Here is the contact details and all. So next going to about. So here we show the about deforestation. So when we goes to research, so in research we showed deforestation problems, deforestation analysis, deforestation solutions also. So when we clicking on learn more, so we'll see lot of things whatever is I mean what about deforestation problems. So in the same manner we can see the deforestation analysis also by clicking learn more, and we can see about deforestation solutions also. Here is the gallery. We can see some of the pictures according to deforestation. So here we uploaded some pictures about deforestation. And going to model, this is the model which we created. So once we clicking on this, here we can see the model. So here is the matter. So if you want to looking about equations, so these are the equations. So when we can also zoom it, so you people can see easily. So while going to analysis, so these are the four analysis. So graphs and all, you can see model and analysis in these two tabs. So this is our team. So Sai, he worked on modeling and simulation, and Jayant, it's me. I'm the web designer, and Kushal is the data research, and Zigrid also. These both guys worked on data research. So these are resources. So by the help of these researchers, we did this project. So by clicking on the any tab here, so you can directly go to that reference. So here is the final presentation. So that's it. So here is the, and thank you very much.